Hey, big dreamers, let's dive into some 2025 affirmations. I am a visionary concept creator, constantly pushing my boundaries. My ideas shape industries and inspire millions. Success flows to me as naturally as these waves. I declare that I attract abundance in all forms. My creativity knows no limits, and I am unstoppable in my pursuit of excellence. This is not just a boat ride, it's a journey into our best selves. As Miami fuels us, remember, I am worthy of extraordinary success. My impact on the world grows daily. Now let's ride the waves of positivity straight into our bright futures. What are some of your 2025 affirmations?
How we do it? Wait. We're gonna do never above you, 2021. Yes. Never below you. I'm always with you. Yeah. You did. Happy birthday to my doggy. Big bro. Big bro. Happy birthday. Have a fun
Yes, so I want to say happy birthday to Trey and my best friend Bree. It is Capricorn season right now, but you know the Aries are on their way. Anyway, but thank you for watching, and I hope that you find it interesting and come along my journey. So please subscribe, like, and share. Help me grow. I'm very new, so help your girl out.